Welcome to Clement Udoma channel. Thank you for staying with me to this part of the tutorial. Okay, last time we were treating how to design a tribute page to Albert Einstein. We saw the 10 amazing facts that we did not know about Albert Einstein. So today we are going to see how we are going to use a CSS and style this Albert Einstein tribute page. Okay, so before I continue, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also make sure to click on the bell icon so that you get notification of when I'm uploading my videos. Also, if you don't understand, you comment and please also like my video. Thank you. So let's continue. Now for our styling, we are going to centralize this. We are going to carry this to the middle, and these are pictures to the middle. So that's what we are going to do right now. So these are Albert Einstein, pictures, everything here. We are going to give it a div so that we give it a class. So the class that we are going to give it here, let's just call it header. Let's call it header, then we close it here, and let me cut this place, Ctrl X, then I will bring it down here, Ctrl V. Okay, so I'll go to the styling and call this header so I can style it. Okay, let me call the header here dot header. So what do I want? I want to centralize it in the middle, so I'll just text this let me use justify content. First of all, let me say display. Okay, let me remove it from display. Let me say display flex. Then from display flex, I will say justify content center. So let's link our styling to our HTML. So you just go below the title page and link it. You bring it to your link and you type in your rel. Remember, your rel is your style sheet. Type in rel and type in style sheet. So you see how they are linking. You link your style.css to your HTML. So you bring in your href. Okay, so for the href we put // we see new website, then we see styling.css. So that we have given it a background color, and from here as we refresh, you see everything is arranged. Now we want to centralize everything in the middle, so we go to this and we say text align. Let's put center and we refresh. You see everything is now in the middle. But you want only from Albert Einstein to 10 things you didn't know to appear. So from here you are going to give it that header. Call it header, and let's cut this place because this is what you want. Okay, so now you paste it here. So you go to your browser and refresh. Okay, so you can now say this is in the middle, the picture is in the middle, and everything here is in the middle. Now okay, so from here let's go to the original page of it. Now on the original page, you see the background color is gray, so we have to change it to gray, and this place is blue and here is green. So that's what we want to do right now. Okay, Okay, let's go to the styling and change this place to gray, because we want it to be gray to look exactly like what we are designing. And here also, this Albert Einstein, we want it to be blue, so we'll give it an inline styling. We say style, then we say color, and we say blue. Then for the formula, we give it an inline styling also. We say style, we say then we give it a color also. What do we want? We want a green color. Okay, I think that is what we have there. And from here you can see, let's refresh, and you see this place is blue, this color is now gray, and we need to open this place up. So let's see what we want to do. We need to increase the font size, so let me increase the font size of it. Font size to 2 VW. 2 VW. Okay, so you go to the real page, you see Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is large, the font size is large, so I'm going to increase the font size for Albert Einstein. So let me increase the font size 4 VW. Okay, so that's it. You see this is very close to this place, and we have to bring this place to be close to this place. This physicists, let's bring it to be close. So we are going to remove the margin top, so let me to reduce the size to 3. So where is it? Physicists, and we give it a style. We give it a style, and we say margin top. Margin top, we need it to be 0. Okay, so there's no margin top again, so let's see. So this place is being italicized, as you can see it's italicized. I think our own is too bright, so let's reduce this color. It's too bright. Okay, let me see if I can see a perfect color for it. See if I can get the color of this. Something close. Okay, let me see. I think we should use this. Let's use this. So let me italize this guy here. So for me to italize the formula, where are you? Let me italize you. I'll just introduce an I. Okay, I'll just introduce an I here. Then I have to paste it here. Let me see. Okay, so I've reduced the I there. So from here, let me style it again. Let me reduce the margin bottom. Margin bottom. I want it to be 2 pixels. Okay, let me go and refresh. Okay, so that's it. The margin bottom is now 2 pixels. So if we go to the main page, you see this. Okay, so you can see there are some difference here. Okay, so we are done with everything here. So let's go down. and let's go down to our own also that we are doing, even though it doesn't look, the color is the one that is affecting it. Okay, so the important thing is not to stop questioning curiosity as its own existing. That's what Albert Einstein said. So in this place we are going to bold it again. So let's bold this and increase the font size. So we go to that place and we just have to bold it. Let's just change it to a header H1. Okay, we go to our browser and refresh. Okay, the important thing is not to stop questioning this, and this is it. So we just have to reduce the font size. I think it's just too big. Let's reduce the font size and the margin top. So we are going to style it and reduce the font size. Styling, margin top. We need the margin top to be, we need the margin top to be 0, and then we need the font size. We need the font size to be 2VW. So we go to our browser and refresh. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so if you have any time, you should read more about this incredible human being on this Wikipedia entry. So this our own. We are going to, I think we are going to change the font color. So let's style it. I'm going to do some styling. We change the font color, font color. Okay, let's change the font size before the font color. What do we want? We want a 2VW, and we need the color. We need the color to be blue violet. And let's see on a browser. Okay, so this guy is not centralized. You see, the guy is not centralized. So I think we are going to remove it from being centralized and bring it down to this place. I think I'm just going to remove it from this UL so that it will work. Ctrl X, then I bring it down here to this place. Ctrl V. Okay, let me see. It's going to work now. Okay, so it's working right now. Then yeah, I'm going to change the color of this Wikipedia entry. I'm going to change it to blue and italize it. So for this Wikipedia entry, I'm going to introduce a span. I'm going to introduce a span so that I can style it alone. Span is used to style a particular text. When you want to style a particular text, you introduce span in between your quotes. So that is when span is being used. So okay, so let me delete this. I'll come and close it here. Okay, so for this span, I'm going to do an inline styling also. I'll just say style, then I say font style, You can still italize it using italic. Or then what do I want? This I want the font color. I want the color also to change to, I want it to change to blue. I need to change to blue. So remember that place is a link, so I'm going to make it to be a link by introducing a here. So I'm going to introduce the A tab, then I introduce the H reference. Now if you click, now let me go and copy the link. Now if somebody click on this, it will carry the person to Wikipedia. So let me just copy the link of this, so that once the person click on it, it will carry the person to that place, so that you can go and get more information. So that's it. I have to close it right here. So let me just close this. Okay, and clear it, and also close it here. Okay, I'll go to the browser and refresh. I'll just go in this place. Let me style it here. And save text decoration. I want it to be underline. Text decoration, underline. Okay, so what do I want? I also want the color. I also want the font color. I want the color to change to blue. Okay, I go and refresh, go to my tribute page. Okay, so you can see it here, Wikipedia entry, the color have changed. So if I click on this, it's going to carry me to Wikipedia. So it's loading here. So that's how we style this. Look at how we have styled it, and the thing is looking similar. If somebody says it's just the color, you have to trick with your color. You see how we started from beginning a bit, instant the formula, setting the pictures, 10 things. This is the 10 things that you didn't know, the important things. Now you're just designing a tribute page for the great hero Albert Einstein. So let's see the main, you see the main thing here. You can put whatever you want to do, what the person did not do before. You can style it on your own. So thanks for staying with me. You can go back to your code. You see your tribute code here, what we've done so far. I think it's not much, it won't take your time. So you see it here, everything here. So if you need the source code, you can contact me. Just drop your comment that you need the source code, and I'm going to give it to you, the link of the source code. Okay, thank you for staying with me. I say God bless you, stay safe, and in the next tutorial you're going to see wonderful things that we are going to design using JavaScript, PHP, and all the things that you like to comment, you like to see. Thank you, stay safe, bye bye.